Winds continue to whip throughout Maine tonight. Gusts today reaching more than 50 miles per hour in certain areas. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight on News Center Maine at 11. I'm Sam Olson. More than 5,000 Mainers were in the dark earlier tonight. Now, thankfully, only a few dozen remain. Versant Power is currently reporting only 8 outages, while CMP is reporting just 44. Meteorologist Ryan Breton joins us now. Ryan, will the winds die down anytime soon?
They won't be as strong tomorrow, Sam, but it is still going to be a windy day, and the wind chill will be more of a factor going forward too, as the temperatures will be dropping. But it was very windy today, 56 miles per hour. The gust in Shapley, nearly 50 miles per hour in Portland, and we gusted to 44 in Rockland. Here are the current wind gusts, and you can see they've come down, but it's still a gusty night, gusting anywhere between 25 and a bit over 30 miles per hour right now. And we do have a few snow showers. The wind coming in out of the west-northwest generating these as it bumps into the mountains. So some areas of light snow, very light snow falling here. A few snow showers trying to get into central Maine too. The Bangor airport reporting a little bit of light snow, and there are patches of snow showers over northern Maine. Not all that cold, low to mid 30s in central and southern Maine, 20s off to the north. We'll start tomorrow morning with temperatures generally in the 20s, teens in the mountains, with a lot more sunshine tomorrow over central and southern Maine. More clouds off to the north, but it will be another gusty day with wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. We'll talk more about the cold heading in for the weekend coming up in just a bit, Sam.
All right, thanks, Ryan. We'll see you in a bit. An emergency warming shelter will be open in Portland for 6 nights starting Saturday. The shelter will be at First Parish Church on Congress Street. It will be open each night from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Saturday through Thursday. City staff say they will monitor the forecast and add more nights if necessary.